In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your Instagram account on private. So once you're on your profile, you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top of the page. You tap on that and then you want to go to settings at the bottom. Now this is an Android device. It might look slightly different on an iOS device, but you want to find settings and tap on settings. Then you want to go to privacy and then you want to go to account privacy. And as you can see, my account is currently public. So if I tap on account privacy, now it says an option to toggle private account on. So I want to toggle that on. You want to give the go ahead and select OK. And now my account is private. Now when people come to my page, they won't be able to see my posts. They will have to send me a follow request and then I have to approve it. So that is how you set your Instagram account on private on Android and iOS devices. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.